Good morning, student. Welcome all of you in our English class. As you know, in writing skill, we have started doing short composition. In short composition, we have just completed poster writing. In this way, one by one, we will complete all the writing form of 30 marks. As far as today's topic is concerned, it's related to advertisements. As everybody knows that advertisements are meant to be published in newspaper or magazines. Advertisements appear in any publication to introduce or promote any product or service. In our syllabus, we will be introduced with advertisement. I have already written here. So advertisement number 1, display advertisement. As far as display advertisement is concerned, if we see generally in newspaper, the size of this advertisement may vary. Sometimes we see that only a small corner is highlighted by that type of advertisement, and sometimes a full page of a newspaper is displayed there. But in our syllabus in class 11th and 12th, both the classes, we do not have to exceed 50 word. That is the maximum word limit. We have to write to minimize the words. But keep in mind the same thing while writing any short composition. So we have to provide all the relevant information. Minimum words and maximum information must be provided, and we have to write in box every short composition. Next, we use the words, phrases, and small sentences, briefing all the details, very concise, simple, and candid language we have to use. And one more thing, that while writing advertisement, we do not have to use first or second person like I, we, or you. We have to use third person, he, she, they. Because if we go to any news agency to get our advertisement published, so that time on behalf of us, they would publish the newspaper. So we would be like a candidate. So today would like to tell you all type of advertisement that we will go through daily. So daily we have to complete one type of advertisement. So let me highlight you. So I was talking about display advertisement. Coming to next, number 2, this is classified advertisement. Under the column of classified advertisement, so we have different type of advertisement. If we want to let out our house, or we want to get house on rent, so in that case we will write under the column accommodation wanted or to let. In the same way, if we have any property, plot, shop, or other type of gym, and the building like hospitals or others, or we have any vehicle, car, jeep, bike, so under the column of for sale, for purchase, so we will write. Next, if somebody wants to apply for a job, he will write under the column situation wanted. And if any employer, he want to hire any employee, so he will write under situation vacant. In the same way, if any pet is missing, person is missing, child, or those who are mentally disturbed, so if the person, pet, animal is missing, so under missing column something is lost and you have found something and you want to give advertisement that I have that type of product. So if somebody is the real owner, so he may get. In the same way, educational, for any admission, for the beginning of new batches, matrimonial, to someone is looking for a bride, or someone is looking for a bridegroom, so under matrimonial. So in the same way, tours and travels, so all these are under classified advertisement. We will do display advertisement later on, because it's just like a poster but a little bit different from poster. It's to promote the sale for commercial purpose, and in the same way, it's personal and commercial both. So under classified column, all these topics, so they are here. So I will send you the questions related to each topic daily, and you have to answer according to the number of questions. Suppose I am sending you related to the column 2 let 5 questions. So out of that those 5 questions, you will write only one, your top answer in your fair notebook, and rest of the questions you will practice in your class notebook. I mean to say your rough notebook. I think you have get a relevant information related to the topic advertisement. So today we will do only one topic, and that is to let, and hope you will listen to it carefully, and you will apply those through the answering the question that I would send you right now. So I have written here a few things about too late. So in too late column, first of all, as already acquainted, you need to draw a box. As far as title is concerned, so in the center of the box, so you will highlight the caption of the advertisement. And next, first thing that you have to do, that is what you have for rent. You want to let out office, gym, house, its separate house, or the owner is living with. So all the information means any one out of them according to the question, you will write here available on rent. So what is available on rent? So any to let column, so you will begin your answer with available on rent. So what is available according to question, you will write here. Next, the size of plot, size of the building, like number of rooms or other things, kitchen, bathrooms, means whether they are attached or not, modular kitchen or simple kitchen. The size, what's the carpet area, and the facilities. Facility means the house is well furnished, electricity, water supply, or all the facilities that are available in the house. So you have to mention. Next, location and surrounding, where your house is situated. Is it facing park, nearby bus terminal, railway station, bank, or other type of market facility or others? So you will mention according to the question. If in question the things are not mentioned, so you have to provide the relevant details. Next, one thing I have missed it, that is rent. Rent may be negotiable or may be fixed rent for per month. 10,000, 5,000, you may present digit, or you may say that it's negotiable. Next, address. The person who want to let out the house, so you will write here the postal address with the name and the contact number. Very small you have to write, very briefly, concise, candid, simple, and easy English. So you will mention, means we have to mention the details.